Hi, my name is Rafat. What about you? Again, NADIA. Okay, I just want to know, do you have any social media handles you want to share? Just the guys free to DM you. Are the guys free to DM you? Am I free to DM you?
Yeah, boy.
Wow, that is great, man. I want to know if you are, I want to know what is that one thing you don't like about guys?
5 minutes later.
So, am I your type? Guys, he said no. Am I your type? Maybe I'm not here to.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
On the ball. You alright? Is he your type? So, what is your type of guy?
I can't specify, but yeah, not my type.
Okay, I want to say thank you for speaking to me. All right. My name is Rafat, GH. Can you tell me your name?
Nadia.
Okay.
Nadia.
Nadia. I want to know what makes you fall for a guy.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, what? Yeah.
Oh my God!